So my name is Tashyana Handy, and I am a poet. I would say my biggest accomplishment so far is continuing to perform poetry. I think for me, there was a point when I decided against it and decided that I was going to stop. But I think the continuation of that and the pursuit of it till now is probably one of my biggest accomplishments. I think my expectations were more aligned with being able to collaborate with people, being able to meet people in different fields, in different trades. For me, it was important that I was able to kind of meet and chill with a bunch of people from really diverse backgrounds. Yeah, that was basically my expectation. No, I think it was, it definitely met my expectations and then some. I think for me, it's been difficult to meet people outside of a particular field and meet people, who are interested in very specific things. Whereas here, I was able to learn a lot from people with different trades, different backgrounds, how they work, how they do things, how they problem solve. And it was really it was like an educational experience. And I just really enjoyed getting to know them as well. So yeah, exceeded expectations is a check. The workshops with Mayun were very enlightening and informative, because for me, my practice is kind of chaotic and all over the place sometimes, and sometimes there's an order to it, sometimes there isn't. So it's very precarious in the outcome. There's not necessarily something that I can always count on. But I think going through that workshop with Mayun and not just streamlining it, but just kind of training yourself to think in a specific way, or training yourself also to think outside the box, to push yourself beyond those boundaries, was really interesting. And I think just being able to go through that process and go through those learnings, I guess, was amazing. Yeah.